Are you looking for bite-sized videos when it comes to topics like WordPress and blogging? If yes, then Blogging Unplugged Clips is for you. Hello guys, I'm Jasmeet, and on this channel I will be sharing clips from my main channel Blogging Unplugged almost every single day. Now if you are into bite-sized informational content, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. Now, after the cart widget, the next set of changes that have been introduced in Elementor Pro 3.7 is for the checkout widget. Now, these changes are very similar to that introduced in the cart widget. And the first change that we are going to discuss is the show and hide coupon option. Okay, now to showcase you this, what I am going to do is I am going to edit this checkout page in Elementor 3.6 first and see if the option exists. Now you can see this is the checkout widget. Let me just select it and go to the coupon section, and you can see there is no option available to show or hide this coupon. Okay, now I am going to head over to Elementor Pro 3.7, edit this checkout page, move it right over here for comparison, select this checkout widget right over here, head over to the coupons section, and you can see this is the toggle button that allows you to show or hide coupons section. This is the coupon section. This is currently enabled by default, and when I will disable it, you will see it disappears right over here, and when I will enable it, it will appear back again. So this is the first change. Let me take you again through it. Let me give you a recap of this. This is the new option that has been introduced, using which you can basically enable or disable the coupon option on the checkout page. And this option did not exist in Elementor Pro 3.6. So this is the first change that you will see in the coupon widget. Now, the second change that has been introduced in Elementor Pro 3.7 for the checkout widget is the apply button alignment options, which is right over here. You can see this option right over here. Using it, you can change the alignment of this apply button. This will let you control, this option will affect the screen sizes for the tablet and below, and this option did not exist in Elementor Pro 3.6. So let's go to Elementor 3.6, and you see the apply button section is missing. Let's go back to Elementor Pro 3.7 and see this option is available right over here, and this option is missing. So this is the second change that has been introduced in Elementor Pro 3.7 for the checkout widget. Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the post notification bell. In case you have any queries, feel free to comment down below and I will try and help. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.